Right. This cycle are always faster because we typically start to get students in probably early December. We try to get them registered for classes somewhere. So a lot, I don't know about your school, but I know a lot of schools, they're, you can have a transcript sent directly from that institution to here.
Uh-huh.
Some of them will also do electronic transcripts. And then you can hand deliver it. So admissions is the only one that can receive transcripts. They will then remain official.